Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. God bless you, Jesus. I remember myself the great Johnsonkeyz, right? God bless you, Jesus' name. Okay, so today I want to show you a very nice way to use your 13 dominant 13 chords. We're going to do that in the key of C. So we're going to do something like this. Listen to this song. We're going to do this song. Oh, praise the sun, so we're going to apply it to that part. Okay, so we're going to do something like this. I'm going to play it first, then show you, if you are new to this channel, that's how I teach. Alright, so we're going to go. So that you're going to worry your audience because they'll be like, wow, what is that? Imagine. Then you do your 7 to 6. So I'm going to show you that chord pretty fast. So I'm going to show you that pretty fast. But then I'll quickly introduce you to my advanced passing chord masterclass that I did recently. I released recently, and I did that for the people who play the key of C. All right. And then I did that for the people who play the key of F. Right. Then I did that for people who play the key of F sharp. Currently, you can also pre-order for the key of C sharp. So how to get your copy? Check the comment section. My WhatsApp contact is there. Whatever country you are watching from, there's a PayPal option, there's a world remit option for you to pay to get your copy. Just chat me up on WhatsApp. God bless you. Alright, so what's a your dominant cell? Let's build a dominant chord here. You're in the key of C. We have our chart C, E, G. Right? Now, if you want to have the dominant 7, we have a flattened 7. Now, let's keep building. We have our 9. Right? We have our 11. And then we have our 13. Right? So sometimes we'll play the sharp 11 also. But we are not doing that today. Right? But we are not doing this today. Okay, so right. So now let's remove some stuff from this chord. So we're gonna have our flattened 7th and our 3rd. Right. So our flattened 7th on the left. Then let's build our 3rd, our 13th, and our 1. So together we have this chord. So this is C13. So now, what I'm doing is, that was like a 6, 2, 5, 1. So instead of playing that 6, 2, 5, 1, 4 that I've always taught on the channel, instead of playing that, if you are new to this channel, go and watch my other videos. I have a lot of videos where I showed that already. Instead of doing that, you just hold this. So that's like a gospel melodic movement, and trust me when I say most of the times your audience won't be expecting that. So that's going to be a very beautiful one. So that means we are doing C13, we are doing a B13, and then we are doing a B flat 13 chord also. So that's pretty what we are doing. So that's why we are taking it down. We are taking it down. Alright, so immediately the song comes in. Then you go to your 4. So that's the idea. That's the idea. Actually, what's the idea? That is the idea. So let's try that one more time and see how it goes. So, on Christ the Son. that's like the idea. Then you hear some tricks. All on my ground is 2, 4, 7. So if you've not clicked the subscribe button, please do that. You can go over the lessons again to get to watch more of that, right? And then click subscribe button for many more. And also don't forget to chat me up to get your copy of the advanced passing code. God bless you. Bye.